Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a wonderful package that arrived from Crafty Critta. Are you familiar with Crafty Critta? They are an Australian company that focuses on foiling products such as toner sheets and they even have their own specialty cardstock. It is a fantastic company. I love using their cardstock for foiling, and I have this new box that I have received and I love to go through it with you. There are some fun products in here that maybe you'll find interesting as well. So I'll start off with the foils because those always make me so happy to look at. The first one we have here is Ice Lights. I will say that they have two types of foils. They have the hot foils, which works on the Gemini and the Glimmer plates or machine. They also have a toner, and those works on the Minx and laminators. So this one would be for in my case, I have the Glimmer machine by Spellbinders. So look at this foil. I'll show samples of these, but it's not going to be synced. I'll cut away, show you a sample, and come back because I didn't want to take everything apart. I wanted to show you as it's brand new. So here's the ice, and look at this is great for like winter. It doesn't have to be winter, but it just has this wonderful icy shininess to it. Really pretty. This one is one of my favorites. We then have turquoise, which is another beautiful color. It looks a little bit different in person. This one looks a little bit more bluer. I think my color is off on my phone a bit, but it is definitely turquoise. Beautiful color. There's a nice shine to it. And you'll laugh, you'll say, well, shouldn't all foil be shiny? Well, we'll get to that. And here is Hot Pink Sparkle. This is really neat. I thought it was just pink at first. And then as I was picking up, I can see all that sparkle in there. This one's going to be really interesting. This will definitely need to be something with a more solid image so you can see it. If it's something thin, those sparkles may not show up. But that's a beautiful pink, and I love the sparkles. And the last one I have is your matte gold. And that is, it's shiny, but it's not shiny like these. And it's this beautiful gold, and I can't wait to play with this one too. Matte gold is it's just beautiful. It's very elegant, it's lovely, and very excited to play with. So these are some 4 new colors that I have. Okay, so let's show these little samples like I said I would do. Here is the Ice Lights. Very pretty. I did a little underfoiling there, but this is just a sample, so that's okay. But it looks like shattered glass. Beautiful rainbow effect here. You got red, yellow, green, blues. Really fun. Then we have the turquoise, which is right here. Try not to get me in the picture. Here is the Hot Pink Sparkle. That's fun. See, there's all those little speckles there. That's really cool. And then we have the matte gold. There we go. So not very shiny. It has a little bit of shine, but it's not like your mirror. It's just this nice, really elegant gold. I will say I do see my glue marks there, so I'm going to take that in consideration when I'm just make sure that I don't see those when I'm actually making a project. But there is the 4 colors. Really pretty. And then I got a bunch of toner sheets. So first we have 8 sheets of, they're about an A2 size. They are an A2 size, 5 and 5 by 4 1/4 inches. And these look ombre-ish. I don't know if they're all the same. Yeah, so we have all the same. And this is almost like a nice summer where the evening, it's becoming nighttime. Really pretty. And it almost has like like if it's like water ripples on it, you know? Like if it's the lake or something. Like even if you just cut this part off, you can kind of see like you're standing on the beach and that's the ripples in the water, and this is the horizon. It's really pretty. And so these work really well with your negatives. So if you foil something, especially a background pattern, put on this, the reverse, and then this will show through. If you put a solid image on here, then you're going to lose this whole thing. So we have that. I'll try to keep these organized so they don't fall apart. I'm not going to take this one out because I'm assuming it's the same thing. This is a rainbow. I can't remember what that name is. There's that type of gradient. I'm sorry, but it is the radio circular. I don't know. I should have researched before I said anything. Now I feel silly. Anyways, it's a rainbow, and you get 8 of these sheets. So very similar to this one. Here's another rainbow gradient, and this is a rectangle one. It goes from red right down to the center. I don't know if purple's in there, but it should be. And you get 8 sheets of those. And you get 8 sheets of these ones. So this is another gradient of not a rainbow, but it goes from pink to dark blue, and there's a little bit of, looks like green or a light blue in there. You know what? Let's take this one out because I can't really see this one on camera, so I want to show it to you. Yeah, okay. So that's pretty. So very similar to the first one. Bright, beautiful purple or pink, and then so you get 8 of those, and then the last one of the 8 sheet or the A2 panels is this rainbow pattern here, and that's a circular one, some big red on the outside moving in. Now you don't have to use this as the whole panel. You could foil it and die cut the pieces out. So it's just fun ways of using your negative foils. Now with that said, I have a lot more, and these are bigger sheets. And this is a designer pack. It's called 24 sheets. We'll open this up. There is 4 of each design. So there's 6 of them. So this is not toner sheets. Sorry. This is paper pack. So this you should be able to foil on. I'm hoping. I will try it out, because I will love how this looks. This is nebula almost. This is fairyland. This is a dream. Like, just let your imagination open up on these, and you can fold these, cut them out, die cut them. They're just fantastic. So there's that one. Here's another one. See, it's this space nebula effect, but it also has this magical fairy land, like as if like this is a tree. You're a small person looking up into the sky, and this is just a magical world. Here's that one. And that one, it has like it's not real gold, but it's that gold. It looks like it's gold foiled. Oh, that's this is so cool. This is like a bunch of little planets just exploding out into the universe, or it's just a bunch of blobs of glitter paint. All right. So that's 6. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's the 6th one. Really fun. So then you get 4 of each of these designs. So that is the paper pack. I think I said toner for these ones, but it's not. It's paper. There is another one that I have, and this is PP0033. There is no name. But oh, wow. This is so realistic looking. And these are like crystals and diamonds. So there's one. They almost look like they're just shining, like if they're really, I feel like if I move them, they should glitter, but they're not, obviously. 3. So beautiful. Look at that. That's, you can totally get away with Christmas and any type of anniversary or anything of that. Yeah. So there you go. So that is this diamond. I'm going to call it the diamond collection because it sounds better than PP0033. So we have that. Here is another one. And this is a very grungy, masculine, I would say, because it's almost like Greats industrialist but it's still really, really fun. Like I said, you can die cut. You don't need to have this as a focal image, or have as a background, or you can just even focus in this area and die cut them with any shapes. So there's 1, 2, 3. These are really good. Very realistic looking. There you go. I have a couple more to show you. So just speeding this up a bit. This one is very similar, but just without the green. So this is more metallic. Like the other one looks like paint had fallen on top of it. This just looks like it's actually machinery. Look at that. It looks like they actually had a camera right up to something. They went to a warehouse and just took pictures of things because it looks really good. Look at that. That is fantastic stuff here. And there you go. So there's the 6 designs there, and you get 4 each of those as well. Almost done. There is a lot of good stuff that I got. This one I love. This is so cool. This reminds me of steampunk almost. Very masculine as well. It doesn't mean it has to be just for masculine cards. It could be for anything you want, but it does have that industrial masculine steampunk feel to it. And it's just a bunch of like old gears, rust. I think this would work well with anything from tin molds. Right? Yeah, this is so cool. Lots of grease. Like this is really fun. Which is weird for me to say for crafting is greasy. But there you go. So cool. So that is PP0029, and I'm going to call that the greasy steampunk design pack. Now the last one I have, I'm not sure if it's just an old packaging, like they actually put the wrong one in, or they just wanted to send me something. But it says Christmas multi-tone sheets, but it is blue. Full art. Yeah, so this is for the laminator. So I don't think I'll be able to use it for the glimmer. Like I said, I do have a friend who I see very often, and I will be using them there. They will not go to waste. Now, it does say Christmas multi-tone sheets, but I think this is wrong because I don't have any of those colors. It's just blue. So I'm not sure if it was a mispackaging or if this was just something that they were sending and this put together. But it is actually dark blue. Now in person, it's not, in the camera it looks really light, like bright, but in person it is more dark. I think, like I said, my camera is showing colors brighter, but very fun. This I'll be using at my friend's house because she has the mink and I can play with that. But this is all the fun stuff I have. If you are interested in this, check it out. I think it might be Christmas, so potentially they don't have it right now, but I have seen it before on their shop, and it is 2 greens and 2 reds. But in this case, it is just my dark blue, which this is one of my favorite blue colors ever. So not complaining whatsoever. So this is all the, oop, my glasses are in there. This is all the fun stuff that I got to play with. And I'm going to be creating some cards. I will be doing a Kendra card challenge design hop using this stuff. So keep an eye out. That is coming soon. So if you see anything you like here, I will have the links in the description box down below, so check it out. I'll take you directly to where you need to go. So thank you so much for stopping by and sharing this fun unboxing with me. And until the next time, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you all later. Take care. Bye.